All right, Julian, here's instructions to set up a new server and try and run the test code that I'm going to send you in a moment. All right, so I'm going to sort of set up test server. I'm going to say create, and I'm going to add your first app. I'm going to say, okay, fine, check it out. I'm going to add Midjourney. There we go, Midjourney bot. I'm going to add the app, and I'm going to add it to the test server. That's the one I just added. It's going to do all this stuff. You're gonna see we're gonna have our bot do some of this stuff as well. So authorized, yes, I am human. Go to test server. Here we are on test server. I haven't added the test bot yet, but we just want to make sure this thing is working. Imagine obsidian sphere spinning the earth. Cinematic close up. All right, so I've sent that to get our Midjourney generation going, so it's doing its work. And in the meantime, what I want to be doing is I'm going to send you this link, okay, this thing here, which is going to allow you to generate a bot. So you go to a tab, you'll click on the link I send you. This link is going to say you're going to log to Obsidian, which is this Python program that I wrote that currently is running on my computer. But I'll need to get a way to run it on a server. Pretty simple, but for now I just want to keep it easy. And say continue. It's going to send, manage messages, use application commands. So I say authorize. I am human. And then go to test server. So you see now, you see how it says log to Obsidian is here now? That means it's logged into the server. Those are the generations. So now I'm going to say fetch exclamation fetch history. And there we go. If you save this, that's your markdown file. There's not a lot in there right now, so that's here. And I'm just going to open it with text edit so that you can see it. This, when you look at it in Obsidian, should look like this. Not bad, huh? All right, I hope you can test this out, and I hope this is exciting.